Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up AI buy and sell indicators on TradingView. Now I'll show you some of the few AI buying sell indicators which can help you a lot. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the first one that we are going to talk about is this one, support and resistance logistic regression by Flux charts. So you can just copy the text, this whole text, make sure to read it and go to Google and paste it in this section, support and resistance logistic regression flux charts. Press enter and you will see the first website. Just open it and you will be at the same page as I was on this page. So once you're at this page, simply scroll down and click on use on chart. And once you click on use on chart, so it will basically show you some of the cryptocurrencies. So now as you can see, like it is giving us a few indicators like 90.73% on red, 92 positive and 91.52 on positive as well. So you can just double click on the line, and from this you can just select the inputs like pivot length, target respect, the probability threshold. You can set it by whatever you want, show prediction labels as well, the colors, the text, everything. You can just select it, the style you can change it, that is your choice, and the visibility as well. So the first one is this one, which is called support and resistance logistic regression. And the second one that we are going to talk about is this one. So it is, let me just, this is RSI kernel optimized flux charts. So you can just copy the text, go to Google, search this text, and you will see this indicator as well. So let me just show you this one as well. Click on use on chart. And after that, it will be visible. As you can see, like this is on the right side, KDE optimized RSI 64 and bearish KDE 37.7%. So you can just click it, set this one as well. That is your choice. You can set it accordingly. Otherwise, it is on the default. And you can just change the chart view as well for better visibility and the more explanation and buying and selling indicators. So that is your choice. Now the third one that I am going to talk about is this one, super trend plus relative volume kernel optimized. You can just search this one on Google, and this one is also by Flux Charts. So make sure to go to Google, search this one, and let me show you this one as well on the chart. Click on use on chart, and it will basically show you this indicator. Like as you can see, there's not enough data because I'm using a short chart. So you can just zoom in and you can read the trend and understand the whole trend, the buying and selling, the trends. As you can see, like this one, this is going on the green, this one is the red, green, red. So you can just understand it and save, or you can just buy and sell through these AI indicators. Now these might not be as accurate, but they can help you, definitely help you a lot. So these are some of the indicators which you can use to buy or sell on directly the trading view. So that is all about how you can do it.